Wetso di kgang ke tsa Lesedi Television tse primaning eno di go kopanya le nna Kudzani Nametso Mudala pele a re bone ditlhogo. Kopano ya bobega dikgang e tshwere pele ga segopotso sa letsatsi la lefatshe lotlhe la bana. ABSA e senola ditharabololo tsa dituelo tsa boitshimoledi go fetola banka ya maranyane a sešwa mo Botswana. Lebentlele la ntlha la Pick and Pay Go la Botswana le butswe. Leki ya kgwele ya dinao ya Botswana e gatetse pele mokhuduthamaga a arogana dintlha tsa botlhokwa ka seemo sa leki. Go ne ga tshwara phuthego ya bobega dikgang gompieno kwa Protea Hotel go tlhalosa dipankanyo tsa letsatsi le letlang la World Children's Day le tla gopolwang ka Ngwanatsele a le 15 ka fa tlase ga sethogo se se reng My Day, My Right. Fana bua ka tiragalong eno tona ya nakwana ya boitekanelo jwa bana le thuto ya motheo Re Justin Hunyepa o ne a gatelela gore letsatsi leno le thusa go rotloetsa le go buelela go keteka ditshwanelo tsa bana go ralala ka kgaolo. O ne a boeletsa maitamo a puso a go netefatsa gore bana ba sirelediwa ba matlafadiwa le go newa sebaka sa go ntsha maikutlo a bone ka kgololesego. Motshwarela tona o rotloeditse bana go dirisa serala seo go tsholetsa mantswe a bone mo dikganyeng tse di ba amang bogolo segolo jang mabapi le lenaneo la thuto tsa sekolo le tse dingwe tsa tlhabololo.
And what are the objectives of this day? I have 4 bulleted points for that. 1, to provide a high-level platform for children to meaningfully engage and participate in decision-making processes and reflect on on commitments made to children on issues that affect them. Chantel, that's why we are saying that nothing for children without children. So that's one of the objectives of the commemoration, to make sure that as children you reflect on commitments made to you on issues that affect your welfare. 2, to promote sharing of best practices between countries for the advancement of the child rights agenda in the sub-region. 3, to promote collaboration among children and sharing of experiences on how their member states meet their rights. 4, the last one, to raise awareness on the rights and needs of children through consultations among children and duty bearers.
Segopotso sa monongwaga se tla bona botsa karolo go tswa kwa mafatsheng a le boroba bongwe mo teng ga kgaolo ya setšhaba ya thabololo ya borwa jwa Aforika. Lefatshe lengwe le lengwe le le tsayang karolo le tla bo le emetswe ke bana ba le 10 fa lefatshe la Botswana le tla beng le lone le kopanyang bana le tla emelwa ke bana ba le 120 go tswa go dikgaolong ka go farologana.
Director of Ceremony. As such, this invitation is extended to Malawi, to Eswatini and Lesotho, to make a total of 9 participating countries in the SADC region. The theme, we have already had it. Chantel has already emphatically stated the theme. The theme for the 2025 Regional World Children's Day commemoration is My Day, My Rights. From promises to action. The theme gives children an opportunity to tell their side of the story regarding realization of their rights. And that's where you should be working with your colleagues, from promises to action.
Ka nako ya tshedimosetso moemedi wa bana Chantel o neile go tswa kwa maikano CJSS o ne a tlhagisa matshwenyego ka go tlhoka maitseo mo go golang mo baithuting kwa dikolong. O ne a amanya tlwaelano eno ka bontlha bongwe le go fedisiwa ga go tlhaiwa ka mmele a lemotsha gore go tlhokana le ditsela tse dingwe tse di ka agang bana go boloka tlhaloganyo. Ditshwaelo tsa gagwe di ne tsa nangola botlhokwa jwa go retsa mantswe a bana mo dikganyeng tse di ba amang le tikologo ya bone ya go ithuta ka thamalalo. Molaetsa o tsamaisanang thata le setlhogo sa monongwaga se se gatelelang go tsaya karolo ga bana le go ba matlafatsa.
I will say that in our society, indiscipline has been a growing concern. Most children are no longer that disciplined. There is no longer respect for the elders in our communities, and especially looking at the fact that corporal punishment is no longer used in our schools. It has actually made discipline to grow and grow and grow more in schools. And I feel that from my point of view that peer approach counseling groups by teens have actually helped to keep in discipline in schools, whereby a child gets to give another child advice that what you're doing is wrong and this is what you're doing that is right.
Mo dipuong tsa gagwe tsa go konela moemedi wa nakwana wa UNICEF Dr. Kumanzi Montengi o ne a gakolola ba neng ba le teng gore letsatsi la lefatshe lotlhe la bana le itsewe thata yaka letsatsi la UNICEF e leng motsotso o ba o neetsweng go keteka ditshwanelo le diphitlhelelo tsa bana. Ona o maka fa go gopola letsatsi le e le go supa gore puso e ineetse mo ditshwanelong tsa bana ka ebile mokwalo wa padi ya bolesome le bobedi e bua ka ditshwanelo tsa bana mo go tseyeng ditshwetso.
Like we said, today's UNICEF Botswana is about every child in this country. Today's UNICEF Botswana partnership is about everyone, every organization who can make a mark to take the children's rights forward. Your coverage will play a significant role in mobilizing support and creating awareness about the event. Particularly happy about the 59 minutes or 59 seconds in my case. I'll give a call to my children and just engage with them. But really, let's have spaces where we can celebrate children where they are. Whether they are in the remote districts of this country, Hukunsi, Hansi, wherever they are, whatever they are doing, let's make time to celebrate and have a moment with children. Like I've said, I've given my relevant example. Birthdays are greatest days for children. Let's continue celebrating them and let's make one big birthday for all the children in Botswana. In the United Nations, we have a special place for children. That's why we have set up the United Children's Fund, which is UNICEF, which has the mandate to work with government member states to implement children's programs globally. The World Children's Day, we regard it mostly as a UNICEF Day. And I'm particularly happy to be involved in this particular sub-regional event, which has been organized, and we are honored by the government of Botswana hosting this event for the second time.
ABSA Botswana gompieno e tshwere phuthego ya bobegadikgang kwa kantorong ya yone kwa Gaborone go itsise ditharabololo tsa yone tsa sešwa tsa dituelo tsa maranyane tse di diretsweng go tokafatsa go nna motlhofo tshireletsego le bokgoni jwa bareki. Fa a bua ka tiragalong eno, Re John D'Souza, mokaedi wa Nametso tshwere wa kgwebo potlana, o ne a senola ditharabololo tse dišwa tsa banka tsa dituelo tse di tlhotlhelediwang ke tshedimosetso a tlhomamisa gore ke karolo ya lenaneo le le amanang le ABSA la go fetola seemo sa dituelo go ralala Aforika. O boletse fa maikaelelo e le go tlhama maitemogelo a bareki a maranyane a senang dikgotlang a fitlhelang ditlhokego tse di fetogang tsa bareki ba segompieno.
Our overall payment strategy is to deliver the latest in cutting-edge digital payment solutions that differentiate the ABSA brand not just in Botswana but across our African landscape. In line with this intent and growing customer trends toward virtual and cashless transacting, the ABSA Pay solution was developed to provide a frictionless digital payments experience that allows customers to transact using their mobile phones and watches, what we call these days as wearables. You will notice today that the solutions we will showcase are trending towards wearables, and there are benefits to both merchants and customers alike to this approach. For merchants, less cash as a business, enhanced customer experience, and quicker turnover rate for the business. For customers, these payments mean increased convenience as customers won't have to carry their physical cards or cash around. Quick checkouts as customers don't have to spend time inputting PINs or signing receipts, leading to an enhanced shopping and banking experience as they have already authenticated on their device. The virtual multi-currency cards also are one of the first in the market, giving customers more control on their spending, especially when doing online transactions. We look forward to spending this afternoon with yourselves and showcase what we have been up to in the payment space. The ABSA team here is ready to engage further.
Bobegakgang ya ABSA Bank Botswana, Moluki Modise, moitseanape wa e-commerce, le Tidimalo Moeya, moitseanape wa dituelo tsa maranyane, ba bontshitse ditharabololo tse dišwa tsa dituelo. Bomankgeba bana ba kaela bobegakgang mo thulaganyong ya go dirisa didirisiwa tsa go duela tsa maranyane a sešwa a ABSA. Ba supa ka fa go leng motlhofo gore bareki ba dirise didiriswa tseno letsatsi le letsatsi.
As you mentioned, so this is my mobile phone and NFC enabled Android device, right? So on my phone here, I've registered my card, and the display that you saw in the last picture there is the display that is on my phone here under my app that I have for ABSA. So this will be the merchant, a store. Me, I'll be a customer, and then I'm coming to a shop and then I make a payment or I'm buying some goods. So the merchant or at the store, they will enter an amount on the terminal and then it will request for a repayment, right? So when it requests for a payment with my phone, I will tap on the device and then the payment will be completed.
Malomewa o tlhalositse gore go fitlhela ditiriso tse dišwa bareki ba tlhoka go nna pele le app ya banka ya ABSA e leng teng mo megaleng e botlhale ya Android le disupanako tse di botlhalo tsa Garmin.
Good afternoon. This is Tidimalo Moeya from ABSA Bank Botswana, card issuing. Today we are speaking to our latest innovation in the card and payment solutions. We've just unveiled our latest baby in the market, which is our virtual card. Virtual card can be generated from any ABSA banking app. So as an ABSA banking customer, all you need to do is log into your banking app, go to More, under Card Management, you then register for ABSA Pay. It's as simple as that, and it's very seamless. Once that has been done, you can now be able to use your phone at any point of sale or online using the card details that would have been, or rather the virtual card that would have been generated. Remember, this solution is enabled on NFC-enabled phones and Android and Huawei phones currently. Here we've got our Garmin watch, which has already been paired to make payments. All I need to do is do a contact. I'm tapping with my phone, my watch. It's processing. Transaction has been completed. Simple as that. Thank you. Over and above the ABSA Pay virtual card that we've introduced, we've got a multi-currency solution that we've also enabled, still virtually. So as a card holder, you are able to now generate up to 5 virtual cards on your banking app. The currencies that are available right now is your US dollars, your GBP, South African rand, Botswana pula, and euro. This basically means that if you want, or if you are planning on a trip, you are able to buy currencies at any given time and load them in any of the 5 currencies that I've mentioned. This allows you to then do transactions, be it physically, overseas, or even if you are doing online transaction in foreign currency, you'll be able to pay from your multi-currency virtual card.
Tirisano mmogo magareng ga Shell Vivo le Pick n Pay le bentle le le rekisang dijo tse di tlhokegang le letsang kwa Afrika Borwa e bone go tlhomiwa ga le bentle le la ntlha la Pick n Pay go le bulwa kwa Shell Village kwa Gaborone. Fa bua mo puisano ya bobegadikgang motsamaisi wa Shell Vivo sesupo wa gamang re tlo kompone ya gagwe e ne e bopa sešwa seemo sa madirelo a go tlatsa lookwane ka go dirisana le dikompone tse di jaaka Pick n Pay le Duela Botswana. o ne a tlatsa ka gore maikaelelo a Shell Vivo e ne le go dira gore dikgwebo tsa bone di nne le bosupi jwa isago go ela tlhoko gore madirelo a go tlatsa lookwane a sena mabentlele a saletse kwa morago.
Traditionally, if you think of a filling station, the first thing that comes into your mind, it's about fuel, nothing else. It's about I'm going to fuel my car, and that's it. But we've seen now with the consumer needs or consumer trends changing, people are always busy, obviously, and they're always looking for convenience. And that's why this concept of bringing convenience closer to them works for us. And I think it also, I also think it helps in terms of diversifying our income as well as a business. Predominantly 70-80% of our revenue comes from fuels, but at least with this, it gives us the opportunity to at least have 30 to 40% of our revenue coming from non-retail fuel, which is a good thing.
Lebentlele la Pick and Pay Go ke lebentlele le lennye le le tlhomang mogopolo mo go tlhokeng ga di dirisiwa le di dirisitsweng go dira dilo ka bonako le ka bonolo. Dikarolo tsa yone tsa konokono ke go reka ka bonako ga papatso e sina mathata o ne a tlatsa ka gore lebentlele le leshale mmogo le Shell Vivo le bapileng le lone ya go tlatsa lookwane se tlhodile ditiro di le lekgolo tse di kopanetsweng tsa batho ba lefelo leo.
This is very important for us, okay, because this is true empowerment in the sense that we are creating wealth for locals. So these individuals actually own the filling station. They are not a middleman for anybody else. They own the land. We've leased the land from them, and we developed the station, which obviously after a period of time they will own the assets here. We've also helped them partner with a big brand like Pick and Pay. Again, they are the owners. There's no middleman in between. And I think for me, that's true financial freedom, or that's giving Botswana an opportunity to own something without necessarily having a middleman in between, if I can put it that way.
Fa tswala gagwe mokaedi motsamaisi wa kgaolo ya Pick and Pay Go Relion di Lunch o ne a re kgopolo ya Pick and Pay Go e simolotse mo Afrika Borwa mme morago ya romelwa kwa Botswana. Ka ntlha ya dilo tse ba neng ba di solofetse go tuma go tla nna le mabenkela a mangwe a farologaneng go ralla lefatshe leno go akaretsa Johaneng, toropo ya Francistown, Serowe le Phalape. Wa khotse tirisano mmogo magareng ga Pick and Pay Go le Shell Vivo mme a re se simolotse bontsi jwa Botswana ba baneng ba tlhoka lebentlele le le bofefo le le motlhofo go bona dipelo na kongwe le nngwe ya letsatsi.
And today we are at the opening of our first Pick and Pay Go and Shell partnership in Botswana. Obviously an historic day for us where we have our first store under the Pick and Pay Go brand outside of South Africa, and we also have a partnership with the local owner Bashwari, who now is one of our newest members of our Pick and Pay family. So we're very happy and very proud of what the team has put together and bringing convenient shopping to the consumers with offering including not only the groceries that you know, but also a great fresh offering in hot foods, bakery products, and also really good coffee for those consumers on their way to work, those consumers for lunchtime, those consumers on their way home, and then on weekends to fill in the gaps that consumers have in their shopping behavior. So we're really happy that the store's opened. It is part of a strategic plan that we've had with Vivo for a while now. Over the years with of negotiations to get us to this point, and our plan is to roll out at least another 4 before the end of the financial year 2026, and then obviously over the next 5 years get the numbers up to at least 30 across the country in Botswana. This is the second one in Pick and Pay Group and the first one in Botswana. So it's a brand that we've developed in East London in South Africa a year ago. And as a group now, we're really excited about what this brand can do for us in the convenience market going forward.
Komiti ya kgwele ya dinao ya Botswana, BFL, gompieno ne tshwere bokopano jwa bobegadikgang kwa Lekidi. Kwa mokhuduthamaga Bili Sekgororwane a neng a abelana ka dintlha tse di botlhokwa ka kgatelopele ya leki le maano a isago. Fa a bua le maloko a bobegadikgang o ne a supa maiteko a go nonotsha kgwele ya dinao ya selegae le go aga tirisano mmogo le go tlamela batshameki le balatedi ditšhono tse dintsi. O ne a gape a itsise tshwaragano e ntšha e itumedisang le Botswana Television ya go gasa metshameko e tlhophilweng ya ligi ka tlhamalalo. A re ke kgato e tona ya go dira gore kgwele ya dinao ya monogae e fitlhelesege le go golaganya balatedi lefatshe lotlhe ka bophara.
Maybe let me just, because unfortunately I realized that the private media was not at when we made that announcement. Maybe let me just take this short opportunity to give you just the details of the deal. The deal is such that it's a 3-year deal, 16 million, 5 million for this season and the following season, then 6 million for the last season. It's to broadcast up to 60 games a season. So while we would want to cover the 60 games, it's maybe difficult to do the 60 games for this season simply because we've started late. But the deal is up to 60 games. It does not really say we have to hit the 60 games, but we would like to hit the 60 games if we can. The first part is that for the league to operate successfully, we need partners who will put some financial resources into the league in return for certain benefits. At the moment, when the league started, in fact, let's go back. The previous season, we had 2 key partners, which was Department of Broadcasting Services, BTV, and First National Bank of Botswana. But unfortunately, when this season started, the 2025-26 season started, there was no agreement concluded with the Department of Broadcasting Services, which was a key partner the previous 3 seasons. So we only had one partner when the league started, which put enormous strain on whatever reserves that we had, financial reserves that we had. We are how many months into the season now? I think we are 3 months into the season. And it's only last week that we entered into that partnership agreement with the Department of Broadcasting Services. So you can imagine what financial strain it put on the league to continue without any injections from that key partner, which is the Department of Broadcasting Services. So yes, correct. We are severely strained in terms of cash flow. It is not a secret that some of the referees' allowances were not paid since the season began. But fortunately, we did talk to them. We talked to them. They understood the position that we are in, and they understood that these are just cash flow issues. And as soon as some of these deals are settled, we will be able to sort them out.
Wetso ne ke go tshwaretse go lekalo nna ke Kudzani Nametso Mudala a ine boroko.